Hi, welcome to all my viewers. I am Chittaranjan Das. Let us study about the reaction with metal, reaction of haloalkane with metal. Haloalkane with metals. Okay, in the chemical properties, there are main three things. One is the nucleophilic reaction or SN reaction, to elimination reaction, and third reaction with metal, These two we have already discussed in the last class. So today we read about the reaction with the metal. Okay, haloalkane reaction with metal. This is also a most important part of the haloalkanes. So when we goes to the reaction with metal, active metal, first it react with the reaction with Na, yes, sodiums. Mean when haloalkane treated with Na, in 2 molecule of haloalkanes it requires 2 molecule of haloalkanes treated with the sodiums in presence of dry ether, then this Na is bind with the 2 halogen to form the 2 molecule of sodium halides, and here is R free radical, here is alkyl free radical. These are to form alkane plus 2 molecule of sodium halides, mean alkane is formed. This is also called Orge reaction. This is also called Orge reaction. Orge reaction mean that when 2 molecule of alkyl halide react with 2 atom of sodium, then alkane is formed. This is also a help to convert, step up to increase the number of carbon in a parent chain. This is also called step of conversion. Mean when suppose methyl chloride react with 2 molecule of methyl chloride react with 2 sodium atom in presence of dry ether, it form CH3 mean ethane. From methane you can prepare the methane. From methyl chloride you can prepare the ethane plus 2 NaCl. Suppose question will ask convert methyl chloride to ethyl chloride. Suppose question will ask to convert methyl chloride to ethyl chloride. Convert methyl chloride to ethyl chloride. That is step of conversion. Methyl chloride means CH3Cl react with 2 molecule of sodium, because first we prepare the ethane. So how can you prepare with help of the Orge reaction? Mean when methyl chloride, 2 molecule of methyl chloride react with sodium in presence of dry ether, then CH3 mean ethane is formed. When this ethane undergoes halogenation, mean react with the Cl2 in presence of UV light, then it forms CH3 CH2Cl. CH3 CH2Cl. This is ethyl chlorides. Then you know about the mechanism of the ORS reaction, because in chemistry the reaction comes first, then after first, according to the reaction the mechanism will discover. Okay, this is the mechanism in free radical reaction. Mechanism in free radical reaction. Free radical reaction mean first Na, as it's a active metal, its electronic configuration is 281. This is also you read in your class 11 in the chapter of hydrocarbons. Means it lose one electron, that is Na plus electron. Okay, at first step sodium lose one electron and convert to Na plus to get stable electronic configuration. In case of alkyl halide mean Rx, in case of alkyl halide, you know that this is the polar in nature. Halogen has more electronegative than alkyl. Halogen has more electronegative than alkyl. So this, when this bond break down, the halogen get a negative charge and alkyl get the positive charge. So it will form cation, carbocation plus X minus. When this carbocation means when the electron of the alkyl or carbon is attracted by or withdrawn by the halogen, then it get the cation, and this cation attracted to the electrons. So R, when gain the R cation mean alkyl carbocation, gain the electron, it will convert to free radical. Okay, if here is 2, here is also 2, then 2 alkyl free radical is formed. Then alkyl free radical, 2 alkyl free radicals react with each other to form alkane. Alkanes. Okay, this is the mechanism. Mechanism means it is the free radicals reaction. Mean alkyl first lose electron and this electron is gained by the carbocation to convert to gain the a free radical, and 2 free radicals to form a alkane. Okay, step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. And you remember that suppose you ethyl chlorides, 2 molecule of ethyl chloride C2H5Cl plus 2Na plus C2H5Cl, then it will form in presence of dry ether, it will form what? 2 molecule of 2Cl minus is attracted by the Na and it will form butane C2H5 mean butane and 2NaCl. But if you prefer CH3Cl or react with the methyl chloride with sodium and C2H5Cl, then 2 chlorine molecule taken by the sodium, then it will be prepare CH3C2H5 plus 2NaCl mean propane. But the odd number of carbon are not properly prepared, because here is a mixture of product will form. There is the probability of form a mixture of product, because itself methyl chloride can also, when a 2-methyl chloride react with sodium, that will form the ethane, or ethyl chloride also form the butane. So a mixture of ethane, propane and butane is formed. So there is no pure product is formed. So for the OR reaction, you always take the symmetrical halides. Symmetrical halide means 2 molecule of alkyl halide which contain same number of carbon. You always avoid to asymmetrical alkyl halide, means the 2 alkyl halide which contain different number of carbon. 2 different alkyl halide which contain different number of carbon. This is the OR reaction. This is OR reaction. Okay, or reaction with metal. Then we go to the reaction with zinc. Reaction with another metal, that is zinc. Reaction with zinc, Zn. This is also called Franklin reaction. Franklin reaction. Franklin reaction. Franklin reaction mean when 2 molecule of alkyl halide, when 2 molecule of alkyl halide treated with or react with zinc, Zn lose 2 electrons. Zn lose 2 electron. It lose 2 electron. One electron, this bond will break, and this is called carbocation. This is also get another carbocation. 1 electron goes to this, another electron goes to this. It will form the free radical. It also form a free radical. Then 2 free radical combine to form alkane and Zn(H2)H. The valency of zinc is 2, mean it lose 2 electron. So this 2 electron is converted to 2 free radical up to carbocations. Up to carbocation, it will form the zinc halides. Do not require the 2 atom of Zn, because its valency 2, or it lose 2 electron to get stable electronic configuration. So these 2 electron converted to 2 free radical of the carbo to carbocation. So means when 2 molecule of alkyl halides react with Zn, then alkane is formed. Alkane is formed. That is alkyl halide, alkane. If you write the statement, then when 2 molecule of alkyl halide treated with zinc, then alkane is formed. That is called Franklin reaction. Franklin reaction. Franklin reaction. Franklin reaction. Okay, this is called Franklin reaction. Then another important property of the reaction with metal with alkyl halides, that is the magnesium. That is the magnesium. Reaction with magnesium. Reaction with magnesium. Reaction with magnesium. Reaction with magnesium means, that is the most important part, mean when alkyl halide react with magnesium, then in presence of dry ether, then it will form RMgX, alkyl magnesium halide, alkyl magnesium halide, alkyl magnesium halide, or it is also called Grignard's reagent. Grignard's reagent. This is the most important product of the organic chemistry, or the most important compound in the organic chemistry, from which we can prepare all type of compounds. For the discovery of this Grignard reagents, the Grignard also get Nobel Prize. Okay, this is the most important parts. When alkyl halide treated with magnesium in presence of dry ether, then Grignard's reagents are formed. When alkyl halide react with magnesium in presence of dry ether, then alkyl magnesium halide is formed. For example, suppose methyl bromide treated with magnesium, then methyl magnesium bromide is formed. Mean methyl bromide treated with magnesium, then methyl magnesium bromide, methyl magnesium bromides is formed. Methyl magnesium bromide is formed. Suppose ethyl iodide treated with magnesium, then ethyl magnesium iodide is formed. Then question arises, how a Grignard reagent is formed, or what is the mechanism of Grignard reagent? What is the mechanism of Grignard's reagent? Grignard's reagent. What is the mechanism of Grignard's reagent? Means where at first the magnesium, which atomic number is 12, means its electronic configuration is 282. This is the very important thing. Its electronic configuration is 282, mean valency electron is 2. It always lose 2 electron, but you remember that in this reaction the magnesium lose only 1 electron. Magnesium lose only 1 electron, because the mechanism always follow to the reaction. Means at first the reaction takes place, and according to the reaction the mechanism are determined. So magnesium lose 1 electron and it convert to Mg plus with a free electron. Mg plus with a free electron. Like that, when alkyl halides and this bond are break down, as it is a polar bond, it get carbocation, mean R plus plus X minus. When this R plus attract to the electron and it convert to R free radical, mean R plus gain this electron and convert to alkyl free radical. And this alkyl free radicals, here is Mg plus with a free electron plus X minus. Mean this free radical and this free radical make a bond, mean covalent, which are covalent in nature, R Mg and magnesium plus Mg plus X minus, there is a ionic bond, mean X. The Grignard reagent is formed. This is covalent in nature, covalent In nature, this is ionic. This is purely ionic. But it is 50-50%. 50% covalent and 50% ionic. This is purely ionic is formed. This is the most important question or most important compound in organic chemistry, which are used in each and every chapter. Each and every chapter. This is all about the reaction of alkyl halide with the metals. So there are mainly three things. Mean alkyl halides mainly react. One is SN reaction or nucleophilic substitution reaction. There are two types. One is SN1 and SN2, which are already discussed in your previous class. So means it react with the KOH aqueous, to which is act as a nucleophile, or ammonia, that is Hofmann aminolysis, react with AgNO2, that is preparation of nitroalkane, reaction with the KCN to form alkyl nitride, react with AgCN to form isonitrile, react with the sodium alkoxide to form ether. This is all about the nucleophilic substitution reaction. We form the alcohol ROH plus KX. That is Hofmann aminolysis, it prepare the amine plus HX. When react with the AgNO2 silver nitrates, so it form as a NO2 are the nucleophile, so it substitutes form RNO2 plus AgX. Here is KCN mean K plus C minus, Cn minus are the act as nucleophile, so it substitute the halogen form RCN with the KX. Mean RCN is the important product which is further give the more product. If it undergoes reduction, it will form amine with one more carbon, step of conversion, CH2 NH2, CH2 NH2. If it react to undergoes partially hydrolysis, it form acid amide. If it complete hydrolysis, it form carboxylic acid, which are already discussed in your previous classes, in my previous classes. So that when it react with the silver cyanides, it will form the alkyl isonitrile NC. Because this is in covalent in nature, this is ionic in nature. And react with the sodium alkoxide, then ether is formed. Ether is formed, which is called Williamson synthesis reaction. When that is elimination reaction, E1 and E2, elimination reaction, especially in case of alcoholic form, KOH alcoholic, or in presence of C2H5OH, CH3OH, with the heat. Heat is the important part which is determined, that is a thin line differentiate between the SN and elimination reaction. Without heat, that act as the nucleophile. With heat, that act as the elimination reaction. Okay. So, that will form alkene. And today we read about the reaction with the metal. Metal means reaction with the sodium, which is a OR reaction. Then reaction with the zinc, that is Franklin reaction. Reaction with the magnesium, that form the Grignard's reagent. That form the Grignard's reagents. If two molecules of sodium react, then will form alkane plus 2 NaX in presence of dry ether. That is Franklin, that form the like that the alkane with the ZnH2. We have also discussed the mechanism of this reaction. Then magnesium, that will form the Grignard's reagents. This is the all about the chemical properties of haloalkane. Chemical properties of halo alkane. So you clearly watch this video, and if you have any doubt, then you can write in the comment section. Okay, then if you like my video, then please like, share, comment and subscribe. Okay, thank you.